Talking about your family. Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Who are they?
My father, my mother, my grandmother, my brother, my sister, and me.
Tell me about your father.
My father is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He is kind and hardworking.
What about your mother?
My mother is a teacher. She works in a school. She is very caring.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have one brother. He is younger than me. He goes to school.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have one sister. She is older than me. She is a college student.
Do you live with your grandparents?
Yes, my grandmother lives with us. She tells me stories. My grandfather lives in the village. We visit him on holidays.
What do you usually do with your family?
I usually eat dinner with my family. I usually watch TV with my family. I usually go shopping with my family.
Now, let's practice together. When someone asks you, how many people are in your family? You can say, there are 4 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. When someone asks, what does your father do? You can say, my father is a farmer. My father is a driver. My father is a shopkeeper. When someone asks, do you have brothers or sisters? You can say, yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have 2 sisters. No, I don't. I am the only child.